Hello everyone, David Lewis here. The other day we did a survey and I was a little surprised at some of the results that we got, and I'm going to share with you one thought that some of you aren't going to like. And the survey we asked is, what is the main reason why underperforming service departments do not seek out training to improve? And this is what we got. 46% of them stated they did not want to invest in their staff. 21% stated it was the cost of the training. 16% stated they will fix it on their own, and 16% said they were satisfied with their current results. Now, if you're satisfied with your current results, that's great, and there's no need to train. But I'm more concerned with the 46% that said they do not want to invest in their staff. And here's what I'm going to say to you, and it's a little hardcore. If you don't train, then never complain. If you're not willing to invest in your people, never complain. If you don't give them all the tools to do the best job they can, then never complain. They're only going to do what their experience and their training allows them to do. So, if training is what's going to get them there, you need to invest and stop complaining. Good luck, everyone.
Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.